And we are live. Hello, mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just need to correct my banner. Hmm, Ayan, I will put my title, my Kape at Kwento Series 95, The Day I Stopped Waiting to Be Happy. Ayan. Okay, welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ayan, hindi pala siya nag-appear. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lair business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So yan, Kape at Kwento, Kwento Pagbabago Series 95, the day I stopped waiting to be happy. So, have you ever felt like happiness is always almost there? As if you'll finally feel complete once someone praises you. Once you hit your goal, once everything looks perfect on the outside. But what if the real thing, the real turning point, isn't when people finally approve, but when you stop needing them to? So let's talk about that tonight. I spend years relying on other people's reaction to feel good about myself. When someone complimented me, wow, I felt on top of the world. But when nobody noticed, when no one clapped, when everything I did was met with silence, I crumbled. And one day after achieving something I was truly proud of, not a single person acknowledged it. No message, no applause, no reaction. So I sat with that silence. And strangely, that silence became the most powerful teacher of my life. Because I realized if my happiness collapses every time people don't approve, then I never own my joy in the first place. So that moment pushed me to search for happiness from somewhere deeper. I started doing things not because they would impress people, but because they aligned with who I was becoming. I celebrated quietly. I learned peace in stillness. I learned to smile even without posting it. And I learned to feel proud even in private. Thank you for watching and for the love, Donna. Thank you, sis. And slowly I began experiencing a different kind of joy. The kind the kind no one could take away because no one else gave it to me. That's when I finally understood. Happiness is an inside job. It's not a prize. It's not permission someone gives you. It's a decision. And sometimes you have to make that decision even when life still feels messy. And maybe the bravest thing you'll ever do is to choose to feel joy even when the world isn't clapping. Because your worth is not up for public vote. And your happiness doesn't need an audience. So the next time you feel unseen, unappreciated, or not enough, pause, take a deep breath, and remind yourself joy isn't missing. It's already inside you. It's just waiting for you to stop chasing approval and start choosing peace. Thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Bring your dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye bye.